She was just finishing her shift at the small roadside scooter repair shop when she noticed a motorcycle struggling on the edge of the road. The rider, a rugged veteran, seemed exhausted and stressed. Without hesitation, she wiped her hands on her rag and stepped out to offer help. The biker explained that his bike had broken down unexpectedly, leaving him stranded miles from the nearest town. She examined the scooter with practiced hands, diagnosing the problem quickly. With careful adjustments and a few spare parts, she brought the motorcycle back to life, ensuring it was safe for the rider to continue his journey. While working, they exchanged casual conversation. She learned he had served multiple tours overseas, and his motorcycle was more than just a vehicle. It was a symbol of his freedom and the memories of a challenging life. Her empathy grew as she listened to his stories of sacrifice and courage. By the time the repair was complete, the veteran was visibly relieved and grateful. He offered her payment, but she politely declined, saying she was just doing her job. There was a quiet satisfaction in helping someone in need, without expecting anything in return. A simple joy she cherished deeply. Hours passed, and she returned home, thinking little more of the encounter. The day felt ordinary, the kind of day she experienced often at the busy repair shop. She had no idea that her small act of kindness was about to return to her in a way she could never have imagined. Later that evening, a car pulled up outside her shop. To her astonishment, it was the veteran, holding an envelope with a note. Inside were documents indicating a scholarship fund and a personal letter expressing his gratitude for her selfless help earlier that day. The gift was unexpected, overwhelming, and life-changing. He explained in the letter that he had been planning to set up a small foundation to support young women pursuing technical trades, inspired by their brief meeting. He wanted her to use the funds to advance her skills and career, ensuring her dedication and talent would flourish. Her eyes welled up as she realized the magnitude of his gesture. The woman, once uncertain about the limits of her work and her future, now felt a surge of confidence. The unexpected gift opened doors she had only dreamed of before, providing opportunities for training, equipment upgrades, and networking within the automotive and mechanical community. Her passion for scooters and motorcycles could now grow into something truly remarkable. Over the next few months, she dedicated herself even more to her craft. The veteran occasionally checked in, offering guidance and encouragement. Their bond, forged through a chance roadside encounter, became a source of inspiration for both. Her life, once ordinary and predictable, had been transformed by a single act of kindness and generosity. Looking back, she understood the profound lesson behind the day's events. Helping someone, without expecting anything in return, could create ripples far beyond the moment. Her encounter with the biker reminded her that even small gestures, an extra hour of work, a helping hand, a kind word, could impact someone's life profoundly, and sometimes, in unimaginable ways, return to bless her own.